Guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you something. Drum roll, please. New plant babies. Yeah. The garden keeps growing every day because I obviously stated the reasons, but we have new babies, and let me tell you, each and every plant, as you see right now in my garden, has a special purpose, and they benefit me personally in a very amazing way. If you don't know, now you know, and if you don't know, I'll mention it some other day in another vlog. But just know that all my plants have purposes, all my plants have benefits, all my plants are medicinal and herbal. Like they have a lot of benefits. I don't just plant a plant because it's a plant, you know. So today we got a little guinea. The guinea we can it looked nice, and then right there the spot we googled the benefits, and it was just more reason to get it. Got a little, I couldn't pronounce it. I just know that it's a succulent, and I always wanted a succulent for my bathroom. Succulents are low maintenance, they can sit in any place, you know, so it's cute for making bathroom spaces look better. And this little bambino we are growing for it to be another masterpiece in our house. It's gonna be an indoor plant that's gonna occupy like a big corner someday. For now, the little girl but the aim is for her to occupy a corner somewhere in the house. We also have a pineapple lily. It looks beautiful. Cool, it looks very nice. It's an almost succulent. Like, what I'm saying is that it requires low maintenance, mara it is very, very medicinal, very, very herbal. That's one thing I love about it. Looks good, has benefits that I can use. Tell me one more reason not to get it. Like, why not? There was no way I couldn't. There was just no way. So yeah, today the garden has new things, and we're just going to congratulate our garden. And also, so this is the indoor plant that I was talking about. You see how big this baby is. The plan is for the bambino to get as big as this girl. And also to show her not everything has to be big and like humongous to make you happy or fulfill some purpose. A person can be as small as a plant. I love plants, you know. So the fact that they're medicinal is just an A+ for me. And as a herbalist, that's the kind of lifestyle that I'm trying to live now, whereby I get most of my herbs from the garden, use my garden not just for decoration, but they're just gonna help me stay healthy. I love organic things. I want to stay healthy, but I don't want to take like your crazy powder supplements that I don't know what is made up of, you know. So if I'm drinking a herbal tea that's gonna help me lose weight, give me 10 liters of that herbal tea. And if I can make it at home, give me that plant, I'll plant it. That's just the kind of life I'm trying to live. Not even trying to live, I am living it, because as you see, as small as my garden is, I'm already using the lavender. I drink it, I put it in my smoker bowls for aroma in the house, I put it in my bathtubs for steaming. Like, it just works. What else? I have peppers, I also have tomatoes, onions, carrots, roses. You can drink roses, you can put roses in your bathtub, you can put roses in your washing thingamabobs like body wash to exfoliate your skin. Like, you can just use roses for a whole lot of things. So yeah, I think we should all be herbalists, guys. Yeah, it's a lifestyle. Let's live like that. Okay, but I'm done yapping now. I'm a bit exhausted actually, because today in the morning I went to do some laundry, and yeah, so I'm gonna take a nap now, and this could be the end of the day.
Leave on, don't mind the cash ahead in due time. I think Think that I can fuck the idea out of your mind. You said he rap, he ain't signed, that ain't a good sign. Change your mind, good conversation and some rosé wine. Unless there's some other things you got in mind. Hey.
Today's unboxing. Bling, 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 bling.
I drove home to Duck Creek to see my folks. How come? I was feeling homesick. Why didn't you just tell me that? I can't go around telling people I miss my mom and dad. I don't like this. But I've always felt a little homesick ever since my dad left for Korea. My best friend. I've never really had one since. What about Big? Or what's his name? Beef soup? Soup can? You mean Jughead? Yeah, okay. I guess you can't really talk beef. Not really. And he's a good egg, though. Betty. He's... Anyway, how's things back home with your folks? The same as always. They're working hard, missing me, but they're happy I ended up in a good home. They're good people. You're good people, aren't you? You're too rich.
Ooh la la.
Oh yeah.
It's no. Guys, look at my new baby. This is such a huge investment on my makeup business. I am proud of myself and my clients. But the first two clients, I done 2 shows of Paco. I get my head. Yes, guys. Cheers. I can't explain this feeling, guys, but if you are a business owner and you start buying little equipment for your business, you start, like, your business starts growing in just little steps, that really just makes you so happy, and it's unexplainable. You know, now my clients are gonna pay more because now they're being comfortable. Do you get what I mean? Talk about investments, oh my god. And that's it with unboxings for today. Let's get on other things. Good morning, honeybees. Sorry about that. You know, still had to sort out some flip businesses. But welcome back to another maintenance week vlog. Short, let me clarify. The first maintenance week, guys, was for these nails, right? And get a little one, and then I'm now left with 8. I cannot cross over to the new year looking like this, looking this shabby, looking like this. No ways. gotta look clean, gotta, because there's a lot I'll be doing. I'll be traveling home, I'll be with my baby, and I'll just be having fun. I'm dedicating this festive season to me having fun with the money that I worked for the whole fucking year. Not that I've been delaying having fun to have it now in December, but the fun I'm having now in December is different. Baby girl keeps getting out of focus and I won't tell her that. You get what I mean? The fun I'm having now is to heal that childhood girl. All I never mukhelela ka kontlong ka December ba khotsi ba etswa ba ya motantshong ena ba mukheledi ba netsura ya tsaba master put on the book fish on the book tsa last day I'm not dead. I don't know what I go. I don't know when I'm mad. I don't know what 10 years ago, I got a phone nearly during the year. But now our sweet holidays have to go and be dedicated to seeing people who don't even give a fuck about us. You know what I mean? So this December, this festive season year, starting this year, actually, no, I started last year because I went on a girls' trip. So from 2023 till got out of Polo, where I mean, the festive season is definitely festive to be festive, But today, on maintenance week, less yapping. I'm trying to wash my hair. We are preparing to go get wig lines, So there's a new salon that I found on TikTok, and I'm really dying to test it out. So I'm not gonna take my big camera, but I am gonna try vlog with my phone. I hope I saw what. Let me quickly just brush my face, because that's what I currently do. It's part of my skincare routine, which I will get into more detail in another video or on another day. So when how over tuned or heck drop at this beautiful skincare gems and how you are there or Carbasadi, Herbulela, Santo Vanera, Copana Caravole, Obasadi Bacopana Mabelela, Lueno Lumsed, Sanso wishes, otherwise they go sail. Wamaka Loran, Kanitaka Disantagan, Yava Pasadi by Yavasadi when we were siding. I get Asadin Kurwa subscriber. Click to the subscription button to my channel. I don't know of it and Namo YouTube. So period. Get on the street and like get in your Zoom. Anyway, I was saying the lip balms are breaking my lips and I don't understand. I'm now trying to use I went to buy coconut oil, which I don't like the smell. It's like, but now mulumaka karaone ke di lip gloss studio. The ones that are working right now I keep okay. So I don't know, guys. Are you guys experiencing the same thing? Or but like my lips are breaking apart. It's not nice because they're also so painful. Let's see. Don't know why I did that. I don't know if you get it. Anyway, so now I'm gonna wash my face off camera because we are saving all the goodies for our skincare video that you should be tuned in to see. And then you join me here I relaxed my hair a few maybe gotta get 2 weeks, you know. It's been 2 weeks now. Lata 3 with my hair relaxed. Or just 2 weeks, maybe not 3, because 3 looks sounds far. It's been 2 weeks now with my hair relaxed. I'm gonna wash it because I have I just have my things. Not these days I have particular things that I want to be used on my hair. So, and then now that I'm trying a new salon, I don't want to get there and look too shabby, you know. I'm like a phone just to introduce the vlogging style. Okay, we have a vlogger custom. Next time get like a camera, you know. So for now, I also don't wanna bombard them with a lot of work. I'm just gonna go there and ask for cornrows, styled cornrows. Obviously, I'm not gonna do plain boring cornrows. Who the fuck am I? Huh? Who do you know who I am? We'll talk about that some other time though. And yeah, I'm gonna see how they plait. If their plating is strong and it lasts, and if my hair, because my hair chooses its own hairdressers, guys. Like some hairdressers just spend the whole time knitting and knotting and only to last a week. Once in that chariot, you know. But that's just my hair. And I just let it do whatever it wants. So I'll see you in a bit. You don't need to watch Moana. I'm here. Just kidding.
The rush. Tonight is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. I know I feel away. Don't get my shit away. I know I feel away. Don't get my tears away. I just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you're pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Use warm water Hot water feels good and I really like hot shower, but the hot shower isn't great for our relaxed hair as it can dry it out, resulting in brittle. And instead of hot water, turn the faucet to lukewarm. Let's see if I'm read it. Cold. Anyway, I'm washing it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
We are here, Haaneeys.
Oh, come on. I got a really big team. And they need some really nice things. Like SASMA.
Baramini.
Hi, bitches. Guys, he's out of there.
My friends call me when you will line and you be here at the thing. Wait to dominance. Let's start there. Another thing, okay, shout out to, I suppose, fighting homophobia. That's good for you, but that is also not dominance. I'll explain. Let me tell you.
Just came back from doing my hair, as you guys can see. Yeah, I'm so tired. and I'm craving something cold. And I'm the adult now in my house. I do this all the time. Hello, princess. So guys, I'm so exhausted. I'll wrap this up tomorrow. We'll speak tomorrow. Everything we'll just do it tomorrow. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna sit down and have a chat with my friend here. I just wanna tell her about how long my day has been and you know the things that happened to me today, because there are quite a few events. But yeah, I'll have the first one clean and then the second one we will have a mimosa. Perfect. And cheers.
You know how it feels. All mine, all mine, yeah. All mine, all mine, all mine, yeah. All mine, all mine, yeah. All mine, all mine, all mine. Baby, let's keep it real. We both still young, so what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had a need a phone, don't mind, the cash in hand in due time. I think that I could fuck the idea out of your mind. You said he rap, he ain't signed, that ain't a good sign. Change your mind, good conversation and some rosé wine. Unless there's some other things you got in mind, hey. Hey, the smoke got me talking in Dutch. Appealing these beats, so what? She leaning on me, I'm a crutch.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Our private pool.
Life move fast when you do what you want.
Here's a family.
It's time doing what I want.
So now we just arrived. And this is the place.
Say hi.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is full of
Cheers.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract you. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract you. know, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
just in the meantime.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Go gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast, and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going well.
just in the meantime.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going well.
just in the meantime.
You do what you want.
Maybe I love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I love myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Yes, thank you for choosing Ivory Lodge for your overnight stay. On behalf of management and staff, we would like to extend a very warm welcome to you. We are delighted to have you staying with us. Every effort will be made to ensure that your stay with us is the most comfortable and enjoyable experience that one can have away from home. Thanks.
I know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they close me, so you know me. Music chose me, just know this and know me. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.